Hi guys, it's winter out there and I think it's time to brew something that makes us warm. First, pour whiskey into the glass. This is a glass for cortada. I found that this volume works much better. Next, we add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. And now we need to heat it. Control the temperature by hand. It's just about right. Next, we extract double shot of espresso directly into the glass. We need to leave a little bit space for whipping cream. So it was 30 millimeters of whiskey, then 60 millimeters for this, and I think it's just about right. Next step, we whip cream, but not too much, so it will be still liquid. I will use a whisking wand. I think it's fine. And now let's pour it over the glass. So the cream makes layer of foam on the top of glass. I think it's fine. Enjoy!